what's really good? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dymund, and from the title of this video, honey, listen, we're just gonna have a quick catch up, a quick chit chat, because there's a lot to be said. All right, so let's get right into it. I was sent this hair from BGMGirl, so we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna talk about it a little bit just to show you guys how fantastic this hair is. It's the hair that I currently have on my head right now. So lush, so gorgeous, so sleek, honey. It's absolutely stunning. So we are going to get into this video and talk about this absolutely gorgeous hair. All details will be in the description box, so make sure you guys check it out. Because listen, you guys have been screaming for, like, you know, wig tutorials and makeup tutorial. Okay, so I'm trying. I've got too many kids, man. I've got 4 of them. Like, it's a lot. It's not easy, but I'm definitely doing my best. So I'm going to deliver to you guys a lot more, you know, like wig tutorials, definitely the makeup. Listen guys, comment down below and let me know if you like this makeup look right here. Let me know by smashing that thumbs up button if you guys love this look right here, this autumn look, honey. Okay, because red lipsticks is definitely associated to autumn, winter. Yes, so let me know if you guys like this look, then I will definitely recreate it again for you guys. But anyways, let's get right into this video. Okay, my lovely, so this is what the hair looked like fresh out of the packet. It's quite full. Okay, it's only 150 density, but it is really full, and it comes with an original middle part just here. Maybe pre-plucked, but definitely not how I like it. It's definitely not how I would leave it. And it comes with this lace here at the front, and then it's got the lace here at the back as well. And it's also giving you the clips just here on the side, as you can see just there. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Very neat, very lovely, really nice. And it's in the color 1B, and this is the length, and this is in a 14-inch. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and prep this hair and, you know, just do a little bit of pluckerization, and then we can go ahead and talk. Okay, we can go ahead and talk. Inside the packet, it comes with this wig cap just here, and you also get this complimentary mink eyelashes as well. And the lashes, they don't look that bad. The lashes actually look okay. So yeah, so you get this complimentary lashes, and then you also get the wig cap with it as well. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Whatever, it's your girl Dymund. Anyways, so I've plucked my hair. Right guys, so this wig was so easy to pluck. Like, it didn't take much at all in terms of plucking. Like, the hair literally just came out. The hair just came out, and listen, we have to appreciate that. We have to appreciate that. Okay, and listen, I'm just gonna do this wig. We're just gonna have a chit chat, girls. You guys know every now and then I like to just have sit downs where we can just talk, okay? Where we can just talk about certain things, because what is going on? Like, what is going on with this government? First of all, out here in the UK, we are going into lockdown 2.2. We're going into another phase of lockdown. This hair though, and to think it's only 150 density, like what? Ooh, you guys could already see the potentials, right? Honestly, I don't know how much of it we can take. It's too much. Like, there's absolutely just too much going on, guys. Usually I do like the stick down method, but I don't really have time for that. So this is just a quick procedure. I'm just literally putting my foundation on the wig cap, okay, because I can't be bothered, if I'm honest with you. The whole sticking down method, it's just, it takes too much time, and sometimes there's no time. Sometimes there's just no time. I think I'm gonna put a little bit on the wig as well. Look where I'm putting it, guys. Ghetto. But yeah, I'm just gonna put some on the lace of the wig as well, just like so, just a little bit, so that it looks a bit natural, you know, so it gives it like the natural look. Are you guys feeling my makeup look, by the way? Do you guys like it? I'm not really keen on, like, you know, red lipstick, but I thought for this hair, why not? I thought, let me try something a little bit different, just like that. But yeah, this hair is absolutely amazing. The flow, the shine on it, the length, this is the 14-inch, and it's in the straight, and I just can't believe how absolutely lush and gorgeous this hair is. Look at the flow on that. Listen, the plucking on this one, I reckon I did a good job on this one. I think it looks pretty good. But yeah, guys, we're going into another phase of this lockdown. I'm glad that it's not as intense as the last lockdown, because that one was just too much on my soul. It took so much energy out of me. It did the most for the children, for the family, for our routine, for the environment, for it did a lot for everybody in it. Like, so I'm just glad we're not going into that full stage of it. But still, I haven't had that many cocktails since I've been back from Dubai. I haven't been out like that. Me and the girls are supposed to go out on Friday. I don't even know if that's gonna happen. I need to check in with the girls and find out what's going on with Friday. Like, what are we going to do? Like, because I just don't understand. I don't understand. But what I do understand is this hair. This hair is giving me presidential looks. Like, what? And with the makeup as well, yeah. Listen, let me just cut the lace and then we can talk some more, yeah. Let me, hello. Hello. Oh, yes. Woo. Not bad. Not bad at all. I am not at all mad about this hair. I am not at all mad, okay? Like, the parting is a good length, as you guys can see just there. Like, that is pretty good. This is what we want. This is what we like, okay? Because then it makes the wig versatile. You can do a lot more styles with it. You can flip it, twist it, do all of that good stuff, yeah? Like, I could literally wear this with no glue, with no hairspray. It's got a really good hold on the actual wig itself. Like, it could definitely be like a glueless wig, absolutely. But I'm gonna put a little bit of the spray glue on it, because I want it to be held down. P.O.P, hold it down. P.O.P, hold it down. But yeah, I feel like everything's shifted since I've come back from Dubai. This is literally the first video I'm shooting since I've come back from Dubai, like. And the thing that helped me is I had like a lot of backup content, so that kind of allowed me to, you know, upload and edit and stuff like that. But it's been, what, 2 weeks? I haven't really done no content for 2 weeks, like. And it's really weird to get back into it now, especially with like school being back as well. Like, I'm still trying to find my momentum. But how are you guys doing? How are you guys coping? How do you guys feel about this whole lockdown you know, measure for a whole month? Like, do you feel like they're going to extend it? Like, what do you think is going to happen with that? Because you know, I genuinely was thinking, like, it's getting better. You know, I actually thought that we were getting better. We were gonna go back to somewhat the norm, but clearly Uncle Corona has other plans for us. Oh, I don't know, man. I don't know. And then there's all of these WhatsApp videos going around where it's calling hoax and it's saying it's not true, it's fake, it's this. I'm just like, oh my God. The other day I got attacked. The other day I got attacked. I came out from the nail shop, I'm minding my business. I just bought my fruit and veg so I can come home and cook my food, yeah. And then these two, like, Jamaican men or whatever, sorry if I'm like judging wrong, like, but these two Jamaican Caribbean men across the road, as I'm walking, one of them's like, hey yo, my girl, you don't know that they're lie upon ya? Listen, my accent ain't good. I'm just saying, my Jamaican accent is not good. But he's like, yo, my girl, take off the mask. For what you wear the mask for? You don't need no mask, they're lying on us. They're lying to us, take off your mask. And I'm just there walking with my bags like sorry, like I genuinely didn't even know what to say or what to do. I'm just like, listen, if you don't want to wear the mask, that's your business. I don't know if the masks are helping or not, but let me just think that it is helping. I mean, I don't know what you lot want me to do. I literally got attacked by these two men. They were standing outside the bookie. They were probably drunk. Stereotyping, sorry. Standing outside the bookies, probably drunk, yelling at me, telling me why am I wearing a mask? Why are you not? Why are you not wearing one, sir? None of y'all are socially distancing, so you should be wearing a mask. Probably had it go at me, you know, two of them shouting at me as I'm crossing the zebra crossing. They're shouting at me, hey yo, my girl, mind your business. That's really what I should have said to him. I really need to get like one of those lace laying bands or whatever you call it. If anybody wants to sponsor me, let me know. shameless. Since I've come back, full on mummy mode, full on wife mode, just full on back to the norm. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, I just need to get back into all that. I need to get back into my routine. It's so easy to work with. This hair is absolutely stunning. So guys, some of you may know and some of you may not know, but I'm a cast member for like a Congolese based talk show where we basically just talk about things, difficult conversations in the Congolese community, and just certain things that are deemed as like taboo in the community. Like, so it is mainly Congolese based because we speak Lingala, we speak French, and there's some English in it as well. But one of the topics that we spoke about this week was basically, you know, if a woman has like multiple partners for her children, like, is she seen as like less serious, or is she seen as loose? Is she seen as problematic? What is basically the reputation that comes with a woman who has multiple baby fathers? I'll tell you what, that conversation was heated and it was hot, yeah? Sometimes things happen in life, like you can't really, like you could be the most organized person and I know where I'm gonna be in 3 years time, I know where I'm gonna be in 4 years, you know, in 4 years, in 3 months, but my thing is that sometimes life does happen, okay? Like if you're with somebody and you guys have a child out of love and then that love dissolves, like why should we then, you know, sort of paint you as unserious or as problematic because that relationship didn't work, but however you were able to produce a child out of the foundation of, you know, the fact that you were in love. Why should we sort of look down on you? My thing is just this, like I just feel like sometimes us women, we need to be more careful with who we lay down with, okay? And the reason why I say this is this, okay? Say like you're with somebody and you only know that person for a year, you've only been with that person for a year, and then you fall pregnant, and then within the year you guys break up and you're not together no more, okay? Now you begin to find out that this guy is not who you thought he was. But if he had given it time, right? If he had given it time during the courting stage, then perhaps you would have known that this person, ideally, he's not really correct for me. Yes, on paper, he's got the looks, honey. He's got the beard, honey. He's got the whip. He's got the job. He's got the money. He looks stable, but really he is unstable, mentally unstable. You need to see yourself as a queen. Like, you can't be messed around with. Nobody should just have the access to come and lay down with you. Nobody should just have that access to come and mess up your chakra. Like nobody should have that access to you. So if we're given access to these men for our body and our souls and our spirit, because when you lay down with somebody, it's all of those things connecting. It's not just body to body, it's spirit, it's mind, it's the soul, you know? So we have to just be careful with who we give access to our bodies, you know? And be careful, let's be careful as well with how we're picking these men. Not all of them deserve our energy. Let's ask for the spirit of discernment. Let's ask for discernment, okay? So when someone comes, yeah, that spirit will be able to lead you. The spirit of God, because the spirit of discernment is also the Holy Spirit. You know, ask for the spirit to speak to you and to show you really, is this person coming into my life? Is he really, you know, who he says he is? Like, what does he want? What is he trying to gain from you? What has he seen with his evil eye? Because let's be honest, some people do have evil eyes, innit? Yeah, they've got evil eyes and they see what you have and they want to come and take it. What's attracted them to come into my life? Like, what are they planning to do? Like, whether it's male or female, to be honest with you, that's for anybody who we give access into our life. We really have to ask, like, who are these people? Why are they here? What are they looking for? What do they want from me? We can't give access to just anybody because what? Because they're friendly? Because they're showing us a little bit of attention? No. We have to give them a hard time. We have to make it that, you know, for anyone to be in my life, you deserve to be in my life. And I'm sorry if that sounds a bit off to some people, but honestly, we can't just be giving people access to us like that. Let's stop giving these people access when they don't deserve it. They haven't done anything to deserve it. So the show is very successful and I believe it's going to continue growing in numbers. Yeah, absolutely amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's just give values to ourselves before anyone can come and give us values. There's too many girls out there that have given chances, second, third, fifth, to guys that, let's be honest, don't really deserve it, okay? they don't really deserve it. I can't judge somebody that has, you know, that thought they were in love with somebody and then that person turned out to be a total snake. Like, how can we judge them and say, oh, it's your fault? We don't really know, innit? Probably take accountability for the fact that, you know, you didn't really get time to know the person. But people change. People sleep today and they wake up tomorrow and they decide, I don't want to be this person anymore, I want to be this person. Donc, va changer complètement, va changer, va comme il va chier, va comme il va tokimo. Excuse me, wizard, where do you come from? Who sent you? Anyways, back to this hair. I'm definitely gonna look into like curling it. Ooh, I'm just burning my scalp. I'm trying to firm it, but I just burned the rust off my scalp. And there we have it. And I love the length on this one, because then it means I can definitely shorten it. I could definitely make it shorter. I'm definitely gonna curl it. I'm definitely at one point I'm gonna put it up. You guys, please look out for this hair on my gram. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram, because that's where it's really at, okay? That's where it gets down, live and kicking. So this hair was sent to me by BGMGirl. And I absolutely love this hair. So gorgeous, so lush. I got mine in a 14-inch and it's 150 density. And let me tell you, it is so lush. It is absolutely gorgeous. Lockerization was so easy, honey. It just came out. It just came out. All the details for this hair is going to be in the description box down below, so make sure you check them out, okay, and let them know that Dymund sent ya, because this hair is absolutely stunning. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really love and I really appreciate you guys. Listen, with this whole lockdown thing, let's just stay prayerful. Let's remain prayerful. Let's remain prayerful. Let's not forget ourselves. Like, self-care, it is still very, very important. So thank God it's not as, you know, rough as the first time, but still, guys, let's look after ourselves, look after our families, our children, and our sanity, because if we're A1, then the whole family is going to be A1 as well. Like, mental health comes first each and every time. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, okay, because there's nothing but good vibes, and that's all, period. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.